guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm here today with another Diwali makeup tutorial for you all, which looks absolutely classy, bold and very pretty. This is a look inspired by Aditi Rao Hydari from one of her Khan's makeup look, which I absolutely loved on her and wanted to recreate it from a very long time. And this is such a gorgeous Indian makeup look, so it could be a perfect festive Diwali makeup look for a lot of outfit colors. So if you want to know how I got this classic bold red lip makeup look on myself, then please do continue watching. And also I've created this look without using any eyeshadow here. So if you do not have an eyeshadow with you, this could be a helpful tutorial for you all. So my skin is all prepped and set to go. I'm starting off with primer because this is a simpler look. So this is the Maybelline Fit Me Dewy Primer, which I really like. So I'm just applying that on the main areas of my face and blending it out using my fingertips. It adds a beautiful dewy finish on the skin and also kind of fills in the pores. To fill in my eyebrows, I'm using the Miss Claire Eyebrow Kit and taking that dark brown shade and combing through my eyebrows first using the spoolie and then starting to create a nice shape. So here in this tutorial, I'm mimicking the shape of Aditi Rao Hydari's eyebrow shape, but you can just stick with your natural eyebrow shape and it will still look really good. This is just for the sake of tutorial. Then for orange color corrector, I'm taking the Pack Takeover liquid concealer in the shade Rusty Orange. So I'm just applying that on the under eyes and drawing a mustache just for fun. And then starting to blending it out using a damp beauty blender. And whatever is left, I'm just applying that on the cheek area as well. Moving on to foundation, I'm using one of my most favorite foundations, which is the Smashbox Studio Hour Liquid Foundation. This is in the shade 4.0 and I'm creating these dots on my face because I was also filming a fun Instagram reel with this footage, so that's why these dots are there on my face. But you can just simply go ahead and apply the foundation and blend it out using a buffing brush. Here I'm just adding a little bit more of that foundation to add a bit more coverage. It's such a beautiful natural looking yet medium to buildable kind of a foundation and it's very long lasting on oily skin types. For concealer, I'm taking the Rare Beauty Liquid Touch Concealer in the shade 380W, applying that on the under eyes, on the center of my forehead, the chin, and also using that same concealer to carve out my eyebrows. And after which I'm just going to blend it out using the same damp beauty blender and applying a little bit of that concealer on the eyelids as well. Now for cream contour, I'm taking the Takeover concealer from PAC in the shade Hot Cocoa and I'm going to first lay out this concealer as an eyeshadow on my eyelids. This is going to act as a beautiful natural looking tone on the eyelid as well as on the lower lash line. And then I begin to contour my face like I usually do on the forehead, the hollows of the cheeks and the jawline. And here I forgot to do the nose contour, but I eventually did later, and blending it out using this Cuffs and Lashes contour brush. Applying that contour on the eyelids gives a natural shadow on the eyes, which looks very pretty. To set and bake, I'm using the MAC loose powder in the shade Medium Dark. And this is such a beautiful, smooth and soft powder. Your skin literally drinks it up. It's that kind of a smooth powder. So I'm just applying that on the under eyes, around the mouth, on the chin, and just letting it soak into my skin. And on the rest of the face, I'm using a fluffy powder brush and just giving my face a light coat of this powder. For blusher, I'm taking the very new blusher from Maybelline. This is their Fit Me blusher. I'll put the exact shade name in the description box, but it is such a beautiful, sort of like a plum toned color, and applying that on the apples of the cheek and blending it up until the temple. For highlighter, I'm using the My Glam Pose HD Highlighter Duo. So I'm mixing those two shades and putting that right on tops of the cheekbones and a little bit on the brow bone as well. It's such a gorgeous, finely milled highlighter. Looks amazing on the skin. Also on the bridge of the nose, the cupid's bow, the chin, and highlighting my inner corners of the eyes. Next, I'm going to take the darker bronzy shade on my ring finger and just pat it down right on the center of the eyelid just to add a little bit of shimmer for the festivities. But if you like it without the highlighter, you can do that as well. For mascara, I'm using the Kiro Botanico Volumizing Mascara and applying several coats of this to my top and bottom eyelashes. This is such a great volumizing mascara and has a lot of benefits for your eyelashes as well. I've been really loving it. Moving on to the lips, I'm taking the Smashbox liquid lipstick in the shade Buffs, and first taking that on a lip brush and sort of using it as a lip liner and overdrawing my lips really well, because Aditi has super full lips and I love a full lip whenever I do a bolder lip color on myself, and this kind of a look screams for bold big lips. And once that is done, I'm just going to fill in my entire lips using the same liquid lipstick, and it is such a gorgeous cool toned red which really looks a lot like MAC Ruby but in a liquid form. It's very long lasting. And then to set my entire makeup in place, I'm using the Makeup Revolution Pro Vanish setting spray and just spraying that on my entire face and sort of the neck area as well to lock everything in place. And here is the final look with a bindi and a choker necklace. I've skipped the earring because in this particular look, Aditi was also not wearing any earring, but you can absolutely go ahead and wear a matching earring with this look. It would look absolutely amazing as well. So here is the final classic red lip bold makeup look. This kind of a makeup look looks amazing with red, yellow, even with green outfits. It's gonna just pop, and of course with a white outfit as well, and even a silver outfit. All the products that I use to create this makeup look will be listed in the description box as usual. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a huge thumbs up, comment, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Also, make sure to hit the bell notification to get notified each time I upload a new video on my channel. Be sure to follow me on my Instagram. I'll put the link in the description box. This is it. Take care of yourselves, and I shall see you guys soon in my next one.